How to quick catch Pokémon Go. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to fast catch in Pokémon Go. Step 1. This trick can be done while you're on the catching Pokémon screen. Step 2. This will require 2 hands to perform. Use a berry or not. It's completely optional, and slide your right thumb near the Pokeball icon on the right. Step 3. Don't open the Pokeball icon, but rather slide it slightly to the left. Step 4. With your left hand, throw the Pokeball at the Pokémon. Step 5. If you land the Pokeball, let go of the Pokeball icon on the bottom right, and players should see the run icon in the top left. Step 6. Select that and run away. Step 7. Repeat. I hope this helps.